हेलो एवरीवन। सो व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स वी हैव। तो सबसे पहले होता है रो मैट्रिक्स। अ मैट्रिक्स विच हैज ओनली वन रो इज कॉल्ड रो मैट्रिक्स। एज यू कैन सी हियर इट हैज वन रो एंड 4 कॉलम्स। इट कैन हैव एनी नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स, तो इसको बोलते हैं रो मैट्रिक्स। सेकेंड इज कॉलम मैट्रिक्स. So column matrix means it has only one column. As you can see in the example, it is a matrix with the order of 3 cross 1. So it has only one column. Then we have horizontal matrix. A matrix which looks horizontal is called horizontal matrix. As you can see here, it has more number of columns and less number of rows. Then we have vertical matrix. So vertical matrix means it is straight above, like vertical. It has more number of rows and less number of columns. Then we have zero matrix, which is also called null matrix or void matrix. It is a matrix whose all elements are zero and it can have any order. Then we have very important matrix which is called square matrix. So what is a square matrix? A matrix which has the same number of rows and column is called square matrix. For example, you can see here this matrix has 3 rows and 3 columns, so it is called a square matrix. So some of the properties of square matrix, that the number of elements in square matrix is equals to n square, where n is the order of square matrix. It has equal number of rows and column. The elements aij and abi are called conjugate of each other. As you can see that a12 and a21 here are conjugate of each other. The elements like aii, like for example in this matrix, the elements in the place of a11, a22, a33 are called diagonal elements, and this diagonal is called main diagonal. If we add all the elements of diagonal, then we get a number that is called trace of matrix. So types of square matrix. So first one is triangular matrix. These are of two types: lower triangular matrix, upper triangular matrix. So what is lower triangular matrix? A matrix which has elements only in its lower triangular, means above the diagonal all the elements are 0. Opposite of this is upper triangular matrix. A matrix which has elements only in the upper triangular part of the matrix. So as you can see, the elements below the diagonal elements are 0. Then we have diagonal matrix. So a matrix which has elements only in its main diagonal and all the rest of the elements are 0 is called diagonal matrix. And if all the elements of diagonal matrix becomes equal, then it is called scalar matrix. And after becoming equal, if they becomes 1, that is called identity matrix. We have many types of identity matrix. First one is identity matrix of order 2. It is represented by I, and if it has order 2, then it is represented as I2. Identity matrix with order 3 is written as I3. Then transpose of matrix. Let we have a matrix A as here, and if we interchange the rows and columns, then we get another matrix. It is called transpose of matrix, represented by A power t or A dash. Then we have symmetric matrix. If let's say this is a matrix A, and if we interchange the rows and columns, that we get the transpose. If the matrix A is exactly same as its transpose, then it is called symmetric matrix. You can see here the diagonal works like a mirror. The elements opposite to these diagonals are always same. Then we have skew symmetric matrix. So the elements in the opposite of diagonals are negative of each other. So if we interchange the rows and columns, here we are going to get the same matrix with negative sign. So if A matrix is equals to minus A transpose, that is called skew symmetric matrix. Then we have idempotent matrix. A matrix which if we square gives the same matrix is called idempotent matrix. As you can see here, this is a matrix. If I square it, I'll get the same matrix. So if A is a matrix, then A square is equals to A cube is equals to A power 4 is equals to A. So like that you go, then A power n is equals to A always. That is called idempotent matrix. Then we have nilpotent matrix. Means if A power p is equals to O, which is null matrix, then it is called nilpotent matrix. For example, let's say this is a matrix A. If I square it, then A square is not 0. A power 3 is not 0. A power 4 is also not 0. But if A power 5 comes 0, then a power 6 is 0, a power 7 is 0. तो जो a power 5 0 आया है उसके पहले वाले सारे स्क्वायर्स और क्यूब और पावर 4 0 नहीं है, तो इस तरह की मैट्रिक्स को बोलते हैं निल पोटेंट मैट्रिक्स। और इसका जो ऑर्डर ऑफ निल पोटेंसी होता है दैट इज 5। तो a पावर 5 के बाद आप जितने बार भी आप मैट्रिक्स a से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे दैट इज गोइंग टू कम एज अ नल मैट्रिक्स। देन वी हैव अ पीरियडिक मैट्रिक्स। सो व्हाट इज अ पीरियड? लेट्स से इफ वी हैव दिस ग्राफ ऑफ y is equals to sin x. So period is a number after which a function repeats itself. So for this, if the value of graph which we have from 0 to 2 pi, this graph is repeating itself in the whole number line. So that is called the period of sin x, which is 2 pi. Similarly, a matrix is called periodic matrix if a power k plus 1 is equals to a. For example, if I take here as k is equals to 4, so easily we can say that a power 5 is equals to a, and we can show from here that a power 9 also will come is equals to a. As a power 9, we can write a power 4 into a power 5, and a power 5 is already a from above, it becomes a power 5, it becomes a. And similarly we can say that a power 13 is also a, and a power 17 is also a. So this is called periodic matrix. Here the period of the matrix is 4. Involutory matrix. For example, if A is a matrix and A square comes identity matrix, then A is called involutory matrix. Means it is inverse of itself. As A square is equals to I, so we can say that A into A is equals to I. So A is inverse of itself. So A is equals to A inverse. Then we have orthogonal matrix. So if a matrix, when it is multiplied by its transpose, gives identity matrix, that is called orthogonal matrix. So if A multiplied by A transpose is equals to A transpose multiplied by A in any way, if it gives identity matrix of the same order, then it is called orthogonal. Thank you very much.